Hello everybody and welcome to another Thrinacia webinar video. My name is Kyle. I'm a business developer here at Thrinacia. I'm joined again with David.
Hello, I'm a front-end developer here at Thrinacia.
So the topic today is how to set up and configure a Stripe account for both the crowdfunding portal as well as the crowdfunding campaigns. As you can see on my screen here, we have one of the blog articles on how to configure your Stripe account for your crowdfunding portal, as well as configure the Stripe account for the campaign, connecting that. So what we're going to do is leave those URLs in the description of this video so you guys have access to that. Now, as you can see, we have a bare bones, default template crowdfunding portal here. We've made some test campaigns, and the idea is that David's going to show you how to connect first to the portal, the Stripe account first to the portal, and then to the campaigns. I'll make a test pledge and make sure that that goes straight into the Stripe account. So I'm going to let David share his screen. I'll stop sharing my screen here.
Alrighty. So let's go back to the main page. So this is the same bare bones page that you were looking at earlier. So to add a Stripe account, first you would go into your administrator dashboard. So that's here. I have it already loaded up. Oops, that's in the way. All right. So yeah. So in the admin dashboard, you would go in under portal settings and then payment settings. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the Stripe account information. So here, there's a little switch between live mode and test mode. We're going to be doing all our tests in test mode, but if you were to actually start collecting contributions for real, then you would go into live mode. So here are these are the three three key fields that we're interested in. So one is the client ID, one is the secret key, and one is the publishable key. So when you create your Stripe account, to find the client ID, it's in Connect, and then Settings, and then right here, Test Mode Client ID. It won't be test mode if you do it for real, but for us, it's a test. So right. You go ahead and paste that code right into here. Now, I've already done that, so I won't be doing it again. Oh, another thing to add is the redirect URL here. Simply copy this, go into here, and then right here, redirect URI, click Add Redirect. You just paste that in, and then click Add. I've already added it, so I won't be adding it again. And the other fields, secret key and publishable key. So those are found under Developers, and then API keys. So here, you'll be able to get those keys. You can go ahead and copy those into the fields here. Go down here, click Save, and then your Stripe account will be connected to your platform. Now, to add another Stripe account to your campaign, when you're creating the campaign, there's a little button under the funding tab, the funding step, I should say, that allows you to connect a Stripe account. So in funding, so connect with Stripe. So once you click this button, it'll redirect you to the Stripe website where you'll be able to fill out your bank info, just the stuff you would need for any transaction. So yeah, just under here,
all that
bank account. Yeah, exactly. So account number, all the standard stuff. And once you have that filled in, you're all ready to start accepting contributions from your visitors. I'll give my screen back to Kyle, so he can show you how to make a contribution to a campaign.
Sure. Here, let me share my screen here. All right. So, as you can see, we have multiple different campaigns, right? I'm going to be using this contribution test campaign here. That's the one that we connected. Now, of course, you know, when you're doing these test pledges, you want to use a test card, and you could find those test cards here at stripe.com/doc/testing. Of course, we're going to add those to the description as well. You just scroll down here, and there is a bunch of different cards that you can use. So you can feel free to use those. Let's go back here. I'm going to make a test donation. Now, of course, try and test first in test mode, and then as well as when you go into live mode, you're going to want to make those tests as well. So I'm going to test with $100, and I'm just going to add a new account card here. It's really simple. You just copy and paste this account card info. Oops, not sure if that was copied correctly. So now it's copied correctly. Expiry date, just make sure that it's later on than today's date. And then for the CVC number, you could just be anything. Make sure you check off this box before pledging. So I got $100 in Canadian dollars. Pledge it. Previously added. Oh. Okay, I must have previously added that card. Just use a different one. That should work. It takes a second to process. And you can see that I've pledged $100. So we've also set it up so that all of the contributions go directly into the admin portal account with direct transactions there. That setting is on. So I'm going to let you guys see exactly what it looks like in the back end on Stripes, on the Stripe end there. David's going to show you that.
Alrighty. So we're back here again, and I'll just go back to the Stripe dashboard. Yeah. So where you'll find your transactions, it's under balance and then transactions. So here you'll be able to see the $100 contribution that Kyle made just now.
Yeah.
These other ones were test tweeted earlier. I think Stripe, what was it? It was a 30 cents and then a 2% fee, or?
Yeah, it was somewhere close to that. So Stripe does take their own fee as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's just their fee that they're taking off. And so the net contribution is $96.20.
All right. Awesome. So we hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We hope it's really helpful. Again, we're going to add those URLs in the description of the video. You know, feel free, if you guys have any sort of issues with adding, you know, your Stripe account to the portal, or even, you know, having troubles with adding it to the campaign, maybe the pledges aren't working, any sort of issues that you guys have, you know, you can email support@Thrinacia.com. That's support@THRINACIA.com, or you can go to Thrinacia.com and you can go up to the top navigation there. It's in the top right-hand corner. And you can click on that live chat button. Exactly, that one right there. And that will bring you into a Slack chat, which you can sign into, and you could get live feedback on any sort of issues that you're having. So we, again, hope this video helped you guys out, and stay tuned for more.